Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So for all of my US friends, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So I'm going to do a fall themed pour, and it is going to be a turkey pour in honor of tomorrow. So I am going to use warm colors. That was white Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, yellow Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, yellow Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, red Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. And then I have a couple metallics that are Arteza. This one is like a strawberry red metallic. It's a really pretty color. And then this one is like a rose gold. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and cycle back through these colors again. Under here, I just have a 9x12 canvas. And if you haven't seen my turkey pour videos before, I named this after basically when you're young and you draw a turkey, you put your hand down and you draw around that and make it into a turkey. So I got the idea of let's go ahead and create an acrylic pour around that technique. I definitely recommend wearing gloves, but either way, it's fun. So just gonna go ahead and pour across. It's definitely a strange sensation. And I'm doing this with the fall colors also because, well, it's fall. And that makes sense with Thanksgiving. Okay, and this is a great project to do with the whole family. You can get a bigger canvas and have everyone put their hand down. It's lots of fun. So I like to let it sit for just like a minute so some of the paint can kind of move off. Then you just slowly lift up your glove, move it out of the way. I usually just put some of the excess on the edges here. And you see that pattern that it gives you, which almost looks like the turkey, especially with these colors. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and tilt. And we're not in the end going for a picture that looks like a turkey. It just gives you a cool pattern, and it's just reminiscent of making turkeys as a child. So I hope everyone has a very happy and safe Thanksgiving. It's been a really crazy year, but there's still lots to give thanks for, I think. I have a little piece of dried paint right here. Okay, that was a bigger piece than I thought. That is beautiful. I think I have a little too much yellow for my taste down here, so I'm gonna just tilt it slightly more. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna let this sit here for a little while, and then I will bring you all in for a close-up. All right, we're back, starting in the lower right-hand corner here. This is a really great color combination. I always am like, I should use warm colors more often. So you can see that pattern there created by the turkey pour technique. Super fun. Do it with the whole family, you know, go crazy with it. I hope you guys just have a super safe, fantastic, fun Thanksgiving. I am truly, truly thankful for every single one of you. And, you know, just if you want to, go ahead and in the comments, leave something that you're thankful for. I think we could all use a little more of that this year specifically. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.